Hello everyone, how have you been? After a long time, right? Today I've got a new word for you. It's not only new but also unique. Now, why do I call it unique? That's because it doesn't have a synonym and it doesn't have a replacement. Yes, you won't find any word to replace this particular word. Okay. Now, when Goji received my book, she posted this. Thank you so much, my lovely Goji. I was on cloud nine. I was so happy, I can't tell you. But I didn't know that icing on the cake was waiting for me. Yes, on this very post, Calliope, another lovely friend of mine, she congratulated me and introduced a new word. I read it as Kalotaxido. I requested her to share some information related to this word as I couldn't find anything related to it on Google. She shared the clips with me last month itself. However, somehow I couldn't manage to record my parts, so I got late. I'm really very sorry for that. So when I listened to her audio clips and then I watched her video clips, I was mesmerized by the sweet Greek accent with which she pronounced this word. And it is, wait a minute. Why should I say it when our lovely Calliope is here? Yes, let's hear her out.
Hello, Nilan. Hi, everybody. So, Nilan asked me to explain to you a word that I told her a few weeks ago. Yeah, it is a Greek word. It is not found elsewhere. And the word is Kalotaxido. Kalotaxido. In Greek, Kalotaxidi means have a good trip. Okay, you have a good journey, travel well. So when something unites these two words, kalo and taxidi, and it becomes Kalotaxido, then this thing, it might be a book or a new project, has our wish to fly well, to go well, to do well. So when we're talking to an author and we tell him that your book will be Kalotaxido, we actually wish him or her for their book to be a bestseller. And when we're talking about somebody who's doing a project and we tell them that their project might be Kalotaxido, then it means that it has a good perspective in the future, that it has a lot of good results and stuff like that. So my wish to everything you guys do is for them to be Kalotaxido. Kalotaxido, then, for everything you do. Take care, everybody. Good morning from the beautiful town of Kavala, Greece. So this is our port, and it is full of little boats and ships ready to sail. In Greece, whenever we wish somebody to have a nice trip, and whenever we wish for a boat to have a beautiful, soft trip with kind winds, we say Kalotaxido. So, Kalotaxido, little ship, may all the good winds be with you. So, hello again. This is Calliope, and I do understand that Nilan has written an excellent book. So, Nilan, darling, we also say Kalotaxido for new books and new projects. So, I really wish your book is Kalotaxido. Best wishes from Kavala, Greece.
Thank you so much, my lovely Calliope, for these wonderful videos. Trust me, I have seen such ports only in English movies. I wish I could be there with you. Thank you so much, my dear. It means a lot. God bless you. So, Kalotaxido is to wish someone well. the project or book or trip. May your book be Kalotaxido, may your trip be Kalotaxido, or just Kalotaxido. It's deeper than all the best because it has an additional flavor to it. It means that may you succeed, may you fly high, may you flourish in whatever you're doing. Isn't that beautiful? And I love the way Calliope said, may all the good winds be with you. Wow, isn't that amazing? I could literally visualize a ship sailing and the good winds protecting it. Wow. Thank you once again, Calliope, for your efforts, for your love, for your thoughtfulness. Kalotaxido is now one of the sweetest and the most beautiful words in my collection. Now, I have simply fallen in love with this word. What about you? Start using it. It's amazing, isn't it? Keep learning. Stay blessed. Stay safe.